Hi everyone, my name is Final Touch. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you're one of those freelancers, if you're someone starting out in tech and you'll be finding it difficult to break into the top freelancing platforms like Contra, Upwork, Fiverr, and the rest, I have updates for you. So, I'm going to be showing you this one way of getting clients that people don't talk much about. It's one underrated way I can use to get clients, especially when you don't have money yet to connect, to buy connect on Upwork or to start applying on Contra. You can use free Slack communities and put yourself out there, connect to some founders, some people, people that are building something, or people that you can connect with a lot of people. So I'm going to be showing you this video how to search for these free Slack communities. Of course, there are some Slack communities that are not free. You have to pay to be before you can get access, but I'm going to be showing you how to use the free Slack communities, especially if you're a beginner and you're just starting, how to open these Slack communities, get into them, introduce yourself, network with people there, and possibly you can land your first international client. So without wasting your time, let's go straight right into it. Come, let me show you. So the first thing we need to do is you need to understand what Slack is. Now Slack is like a virtual office. Most freelancers know what Slack is. They have a lot of it is an app or a site that freelancers work on with founders or recruiters. It's where we organize projects, where we can work, we can communicate. It's just like an online office. So there are a lot of them. There's Slack, there's Trail, but today I'm going to be talking about Slack. So if you don't know what Slack is, this is what the logo looks like. This is it, Slack. So just click on you can open an account with your Gmail and have a Slack account. So that said, this is an example of what I'm talking about. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you a link that have some of these Slack communities, that a lot of them that you can join as a designer and pitch yourself. So this link, I'm going to be dropping the link to this site in the description of the video. Name of this site is soulfile.com. So okay, this file, I'm going to be dropping a link. This is a link. I'll drop it in the comments, in the pinned comment, so don't worry. Now if you click on this site here, you see that there are a lot of groups here. There are group with categories. There's design, tech, hardware, startup, finance, gaming, travel. So it depends on what you're searching for. Let's say we're searching for design Slack communities. So when you open it, you see it filters. It has lots of Slack communities. There's design hangouts here. Some of them, like I said, some of them are free, while some are not free. So for example, let's click on design hangouts here. There's join here, there's sign in. So if you want to join, you click on it and it redirects you. Let's see, some of them will be paid, some of them the links will not take you to the Slack communities, some of them the link has been blocked. I think this one has been blocked. So let's search another link. Let's go back here. There are a lot of them. Let me not filter by design, because as me, I'm a graphic designer and I should be okay. Startup, let me look for now. These ones are Slack communities for startups, like people that are building things. Obviously most of them will need like designers, developers, and the rest. So let's see, this one has, let's see, product school, get invite. Okay, this one you're going to put your email here, then you click on the invite, then you get the invite to join. So I don't want to join, so I'm just showing you how to join some of these communities. There are a lot of them here. You can click on anyone. Once you click on it, you provide your email and you join for free. If you click on anyone and they tell you to pay, if you don't have the money to pay, some of them ask for like $2, $1, but if you don't have the money to pay, you can leave it and look for the free ones. So to save your time in this video, I've already joined one. Now this is the Slack community that I joined, AIGAHOU. So this is Slack community I joined. Now when you join these communities, when you come here, this is what a Slack channel looks like. Now there are lots of things that is made of. There are channels. Channels is like rooms. Those of us that used there was a social media platform that was very popular in Nigeria then, to go. Those of you that used to go had rooms. So these are like just like different subfolders where they talk about a lot of things. So this one has Houston happening. This, I think this channel is in Houston. There's jobs, announcements, ask a board member, intros. Now, for example, when you get into these Slack channels, go straight to look for intro. Look for the channel that is intro. Now, intro is where you come as when you join, you introduce yourself. Like, look at her. Look at this woman. She just came in. She introduced herself. Hi everyone. Blah 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 blah. blah. I'm excited to be here. This one. Hi, I'm Dean, a senior UI UX designer, graphic designer. Can you see? So this person came in, obviously new, went, you just come to the intro. You don't just join and you don't introduce yourself. When you join, introduce yourself so that people can see you. Now if you look here now, you see that okay, there's announcements. You can also check for announcements, like you monitor them. You can also check for jobs. This one has jobs. There are some that might be opportunities. Just check. They have a lot of, remember, every group Slack channel is not the same as this. There are some that will be different. So this one has jobs. So if you're hunting for jobs, you can go through here, or you can be very, very observant. Now you have to be very, very observant. For example, if you come into a room like jobs, you be observant. Sometimes when people need designers, they come under jobs here and say it. I'm looking for a designer, blah 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 blah. I can work here. So you just have to communicate. You have to contribute. Sometimes when you see discussion about design, you join. You get, this one is for hosting happenings. I don't think it should be here. So there are a lot of things here. Now when you come here, when you click on announcements, you can come here and see view all members of this channel. Now all channels have members. Look at intros. If you go to intro now, you can see a lot of people. If you go to ask a board member, you can see all these people here. This one has graphic designer, you see. Now look at all these people there. You can see their names. You can message them. Depending, let's say we saw Abby Dean post that she needs a designer now. So what you need to do is look for her profile here, message her. If the message goes well, tell her, introduce yourself, go straight to the point, don't copy and paste, just type things natural. If she comes around, then you guys can jump on a huddle and have a call. A huddle is like a call here. So if you look, you see that there are a lot of people here. There are some UI UX designer, graphic designer positioned well here. Trust me, a lot of people get serious clients from these Slack channels here. If they don't reply you here and you want to send them cold DMs, their pictures are here. For example, let's use Abidine, for example. You can copy her name. You can copy her name, go to you can copy her name here, go on LinkedIn, search her up on LinkedIn, and you can get her email is here. That's why I love this Slack. So it's a very, very underrated tool here. Most people here, you can have their email, so even if they don't reply you here, you can go to them. So this is how to do it here. Now when you are on a Slack channel like this channel here, make sure your profile is updated. Now look at here. When you click here, if you come down here, you click on this profile photo here. Don't just leave your profile picture like this. I don't recommend. Don't leave it like this. If you look at this profile, you see that this person doesn't have profile picture and there's no description here. But if you look at mine, if you click on my own now, look at my profile, you see that I have description. Look at, first of all, I have a profile photo. So anybody I'm going to send a message here is going to know that I'm a serious person. My full name is here. What I do is here, I'm a graphic designer, AI image generation specialist. So anything you want to write, you can write. And my email is here. So if the person wants to contact me, let's say in my email, it's very, very easy. Like I said, make sure your profile is not like this. If I'm a client and two people send me a message, this person sends me a message, first message, and this person sends me a message, I'm going to reply this person first because I feel this person looks more serious and I have all the details. And if I want to search about him before I even reply his message, I'll just copy his name, go to maybe LinkedIn, search him up, see what he's doing, or send him an email. So make sure you optimize your Slack profile, put a photo, what you do, your name, and your email. So who knows, if you're starting your tech career and you don't have money yet for like to buy connects on Upwork or to subscribe for Contra Pro, you can start job hunting on Slack free communities. This is very, very, very good, and this is a steal. Like, I'm actually shocked that a lot of people don't talk about this. This is one of the best ways of, like, fastest, cheapest way of getting quality clients in maybe the start of your freelancing career, or even if you're a freelancer, you can also, try your luck here. Who knows? Someone might come around. So this is how to use Slack uh, to hunt for jobs and get clients on Slack free channels. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, the link to the Slack channels, like the link to these channels, I'm going to be dropping it I'm going to be pinning it in the comment of this video so that you can use it. This is not all the Slack channels that we have here. There are a lot of free Slack channels. You can use Google to search for more. You can use ChatGPT or Claude. You can, give it a prompt that will tell it to suggest free latest Slack communities, because some of these links actually might be older, or like ChatGPT can give you something modern, something more recent. So this is how to use Slack communities to search for jobs, and trust me, this is a very, 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 very good way of landing clients. Thank you for watching once more. My name is Final Touch. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to my videos. Thank you. See you on the next one.